While Bhagavan Sri Hari was stealing butter, he was stealing butter in his own house. And in front of him there was a sphatik stambha, a crystal pillar. And after seeing his pratibimba on this crystal pillar, Balakrishna Bhagavan, he thought it is another boy. Sangamushnannavanitamanti stambesha bimbodgamam drishtva mugdhataya kumaram aparam sanchintayana sankaya. And Krishna became very anxious. This boy can create problem. He can shout, and mother will know that I am stealing butter and she will beat me. So Krishna tried to please that boy, his own pratibimba, his own image. Manimetrang hi bhavan mayatra bhavato bhago samakalpito. Oh my dear friend, you are my old friend, and I am giving you just exact share of this makhan, of this butter. Don't make any noise, silently eat it, take it, and without any noise you must eat it. And please never tell my mother that I stole butter. Please never tell my mother. Please never tell my mother. Otherwise she will give me a good beating. Please never tell my mother. Mamang sochayetanunayam balo hari paduva sangamoshnan navanitamanti kamani stambhe swabhimbodgamam drishtva mugdhataya kumaram aparam sancintayan sankaya manimetrang hi bhavan mayatra bhavato bhagah samah kalpito mamang suchayetyanunayam balo harihi patuva. That Bhagavan Sri Hari, who is repeatedly pleading in this way, please protect you all.